Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel IGNOU Mentor, your one-stop guide for IGNOU project assignments and exam updates. Well, I have some very important news for all IGNOU students. The term end examination results for June 2025 have been officially published by Indira Gandhi National Open University. Yes, the wait is finally over. In this video, I will show you how to check your result step by step, what details you will need to keep handy, and also guide you what to do if your result is not showing. So I'm taking you to my browser. Here just write IGNOU results. Okay, so once you search IGNOU results, you will get this particular website of IGNOU University. Once you click on student service results, you will be redirected to this particular page. Okay, so in this you will get 5 options. You just have to click on term and exam results. When you click on it, you will get next page like this. Okay, so on this page you have to select option term and exam, right? If you are waiting for term and exam results for 2025, and then you have to select for which session you have taken the exam. Like the IGNOU has recently published the result for 2025, so just click on it, and here you have to write the enrollment number. Okay, so once you put all the information in this login page, and once you click on this search button, you will be redirected to the result of your term and examination. Okay, so sometimes if your results are not showing after doing this, it doesn't mean that your result has not yet been updated. Okay, let me just okay, many students get worried when their results shows pending or is not visible immediately after publication. Don't panic in that situation. This usually happens because IGNOU releases results in phased manner. Sometimes evaluation of certain subjects take a little longer, so the marks are updated gradually. If your result is not showing, it doesn't mean there is a problem. It simply means the evaluation is still in process. Keep checking official website regularly, and within a few days your updated mark will appear on the website. So these are the things I told you about the term and exam results. If you have any question regarding this, please write down in the comment. I'll definitely answer that. Thank you very much for watching this video. Next time I will come with another topic to help you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.